Well, we have a little bit more from the Marchbanks thing. Obviously, for him, worked out perfectly well. Landed on his feet with pro circuit, perfectly good. Well, for him, probably a really nice change to a factory squad that he's already been on. Kind of weird that he's back to 250s now, but we'll see how that falls. But the whole portion of him leaving Clubmx, and granted, this is one side of a story. Who knows the other side, or everybody's the protagonist in their own story. Let's put it that way. But he had an interview or a quick little one with Motocross Action Mag. So thanks to them for doing it. I'm just reading or listening. Basically, he said that everything was fine. He called his mechanic, said, "Hey, let's test." Blah blah blah. 2 days later, they're ready to do it, and he's like, "I was ready to go for my morning run," and then the boss called me and said, "Come in at 1. Let's have a meeting." And apparently, at that meeting, he was said, "Here's your papers. You're fired." Where who knows whether if you consider to listen to it, he said, "I didn't think anything was wrong. I had no idea this was coming." And for him, you never know. I mean, obviously, like I said, everybody is the protagonist of their own story. So what he says could be completely true. You'll probably never hear what the full thing of it is, why they fired him, who knows what. And they asked him to like, "Well, do you get bought out?" And he goes, "Well, no, they handed my papers and said, 'Thank you, you're done.'" Which who knows? I mean, for him, fine. He gets moved from, not saying Club MX is a bad team at all, but from a satellite factory team or satellite, team to the factory 250 Kawasaki team, the all the money in the world team for parts and mechanics and everything you could probably need. So for him, it's probably not that bad of a move. Obviously, mid-season moving from one bike and one team to a different team and a different bike, wholly probably not the worst thing, but it's also a team he's been on, so he probably knows how it runs, how things work for it. And it's just gonna be a question of getting used to the Kawasaki 250. And I don't know how this works with uh standings and everything, because as I looked it up, he was like 50 points or 21st or something like that in the 450. So I don't know how this is going to work out for SMX or anything, but if he's already racing for the next year for the point of it, it's probably great. He gets some extra time on the bike. It's outdoor testing you know, for nothing. He doesn't have to worry about contesting anything. It's just go out, have fun, look fast, and see where we fall next year. I mean, obviously, more time on a bike is never going to be bad, especially if I don't know if he's in for, I'm assuming he's not in for SMX. I don't know. Somebody in the comments below tell me if he's in for SMX or do the math, whatever. I don't have no idea how this is going to work, but I don't know. You guys gotta tell me. What do you think of this? Is it his side of the story where he had no idea what was happening and everything was fine, or do you think there was some problems and he's just trying to make himself look better? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.